Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to Some Good Stocks. In today's video, we'll be looking at Tesla stock, which is up almost 4% in today's trading session. 4% is not a lot compared to how much the stock has gained this year so far. Since the announcement of Tesla's 5-for-1 stock split alone, the stock is up a whopping 63%. The stock price was $1374.39 on August 11th when the 5-for-1 stock split was announced. And at the end of today's trading session, the stock price was at $2238.75, which is 63% higher than the stock price on August 11th. So let's look at what's happening with Tesla stock and what is the reason for the stock increasing by 4% today. There's a lot of value in this video if you are a stock market enthusiast, so make sure you watch the entire video. I talk about the stock market and about stocks which are making big moves in the market every day, so my viewers stay informed about what's happening in the stock market. If that sounds like something of value to you, do subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you do not miss any of my future video. Okay, now going into the discussion, probably everyone in the world is familiar to some extent with what Tesla is doing as a company. They are a major electric vehicle manufacturer in most parts of the world, although it would be unfair to call Tesla just a car company in my opinion, because Tesla does way more than that, with its cars being the most technologically advanced cars on the road in the current market. A lot of people consider it more of a tech company than just a car company. It also reflects in its market cap, which is currently at $417.2 billion, compared to the biggest automobile company in the world by market cap, after Tesla of course, which is Toyota, which has a market cap of only $185.32 billion, less than half of that of Tesla. And that is despite Toyota selling significantly, and I mean significantly more cars than what Tesla did last year. While Toyota sold almost 11 million cars in 2019, Tesla sold only about 300,000 cars. So investors are clearly betting on Tesla as a company to grow as much as possible and potentially increase its profit margins and revenues to a point where it can justify its current market cap. And this would not have happened in my opinion if investors saw Tesla as just another car manufacturer. But if investors did look at Tesla as just a car company, there is almost no way that Tesla could be more valuable than Toyota. Toyota is a very old company. It was founded in 1937. It is mature and has captured a significant share of the auto market already. So for Tesla to justify its market cap, it is a very daunting task in my opinion, but it may not be impossible for a company with a vision like that of Tesla, which is so much more different than that of a regular car company. And of course, it will be very interesting to see where the stock could be going in the long term. Looking at some key parameters for Tesla stock, the market cap for the company, as I already mentioned before, is $417.21 billion. The 52-week low for the stock is at $218, while the 52-week high is at $2,295.28, which was basically the intraday high for the stock during today's trading session. The PE ratio of the stock is an insane 1158.77, which clearly shows that investors are expecting that the company will grow significantly. In comparison, the PE ratio for Apple is at 37.92, while the PE ratio for Toyota is at 8.17. Coming to the earnings of Tesla, it has beat the earnings estimate in all of the last 4 quarters and has an analyst rating of 3 on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 denotes a strong buy and 5 denotes a sell. So the stock is predominantly in the hold zone. Average analyst price target for the stock is $1340.18, while the current stock price is $2238.75, which is significantly higher than the average price target, which sometimes is an indication that the stock is overpriced. Coming to the nearly 4% increase in the stock price during today's trading session, the reason seems to be the IPO of a Chinese electric car manufacturer called XPeng and its sky-high valuation despite being a loss maker. XPeng, with the ticker symbol XPEV on NYSE, went up 41.47% to reach a stock price of $21.22 during today's trading session. This may have been the reason for the stock price increase for Tesla stock, which has been making profits for the past few quarters. Well, that is about the big gainers today in the stock market, guys. I'll be back to discuss the stocks making some moves tomorrow. As a disclaimer though, I would like to mention that I am not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing in stocks, or for that matter any form of investments, comes with a risk, so it is important to understand that and to do your own due diligence and research before investing in anything. And please do consult a professional as well. If you liked the video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. I'll be posting more videos discussing stock markets and various other stocks almost every day. So I think there will be a lot of value you can gain from my channel. That's it for today. See you guys again tomorrow. Until then, take care.